the metadata approach by itself, it's already quite handy and can make your document management process easier and smarter, but there is one extra thing that I would like to show you. I have the new ISO 19650 compliant workflow in place. So now our documents have their state clearly accessible through the shared, published, and archived buttons, where I can clearly see which document versions are only available for users with access to the shared versions, and which ones are available for users that have their access restricted to published documents only, like the site contractors, for example. And the same goes for the archived documents as well, of course. And we also have some icons to make it even more clear. So if you are one of the team members with access to the shared documents versions, you can see if your documents have already a published version, and if they have, if it is the same of your current version or it is an older one. Since every document has data linked to it, we can benefit from it on a next level. We can use the document properties to automatically generate an ISO 19650 compliant document naming convention for you. You can then yourself create it by simply dragging and drop the information that you want to use as your naming convention. And you select the naming parameters that you would like to use. And once it is created, you don't have to worry about checking if your convention is compliant, because just by filling in the correct data, the naming is automatically created in accordance with your own customized standard convention. So let me show you one example. Let's say that I want to upload several different files to this specific project phase. So I can select all my different files, and together with them, I have in this case already an upload list where I have inputted all the metadata that I want to be linked to these documents. And once I upload it, Twin already recognizes all the information and fill it in for me in advance. So here's just like a checking process to see if everything's okay, and if I want to add something extra, but everything is already filled in. All I have to do is confirm. And also for that specific project, I have a document naming convention in place. And as you can see, my document number or the document naming within our system, it's already generated through the metadata that it has. So for example, if you look at this A in my document naming convention, this is the code for my discipline. So if I change my discipline from architecture to building survey, it changes to B, or if I change it to civil engineering, it changes to C. So you are sure that the naming is reflecting the properties of your document, and you can really rely on it. So yeah, a lot of documents, everything's already filled in. And this way, every company can name their files based on their own conventions and criteria. And once it is updated or uploaded to BIMcollab Twin, it automatically follows your naming convention. And it is the name that stays with the document from there onwards, even when downloading it from our system. So it is less bureaucracy and error-free.